topic for this video is arithmetic means. So, ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng arithmetic means? The average of two numbers is called arithmetic mean. However, when two or more means are to be inserted between two numbers, calculating the average would not be advisable. So, tignan natin kung paano to. For example, let's have example number 1. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 5 and negative 15. So, we can say that yung 5 natin ay yung ating a sub 1. Since mag-insert tayo ng 4 arithmetic means, yung negative 15 ay ang ating a sub 6. Okay, so meron tayong a sub 1, meron tayong a sub 6. So, ang formula for arithmetic sequence ay a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. Meron na tayong a sub 1. Yung a sub 6, pwede na gamitin yan dito sa a sub n. Ang wala lang tayo is d. So, compute muna for d. A sub n natin is a sub 6 equals, anong a sub 1 natin? 5 plus, anong n natin? Yung 6 equals 1, wala pa tayong, minus 1, wala pa tayong d. Then, anong value ng a sub 6 natin? Negative 15. So, magiging negative 15 to. Equals, copy lang yung 5, plus 6 minus 1 is 5, copy lang yung d. Then, copy lang din yung negative 15. And yung 5 plus 5 times d is 5d. Then, by APE, may lipat yung 5 sa kabila. From positive, magiging negative. So, magiging negative 15 minus 5 equals 5d. Negative 15 minus 5, same sign. So, add and keep. So, magiging 20, keep lang yung negative sign, equals 5d. To get the value of d, divide both sides by 5. Okay, cancel na to. So, negative 20 divided by 5 is negative 4. So, ang d natin or common difference ay negative 4. Para natin mahanap yung apat na kulang. So, from yung a sub 1, dagdagan lang natin ng negative 4 para makuha yung a sub 2. So, a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus d. A sub 2 is equal to, anong a sub 1 natin? 5 plus, ano yung d natin? Negative 4. So, equals 5 minus 4. So, a sub 2 is equal to 1. Next, a sub 3 naman tayo. Ganun pa rin. So, a sub 3 is equal to a sub 2 plus d. So, anong a sub 2 natin? 1. Anong d natin? Negative 4. So, plus negative 4 equals 1 minus 4. So, our a sub 3 is equal to negative 3. Okay, next. A sub 4 naman. A sub 4 is equal to a sub 3 plus d. Anong a sub 3 natin? Negative 3. Okay, plus d natin is negative 4. So, equals negative 3 minus 4. So, a sub 4 is equal to negative 7 plus a sub 5. So, a sub 4 plus d equals to, anong a sub 4 natin? Negative 7 plus, ano yung d? Negative 4. So, magiging negative 7 minus 4. So, a sub 5 is equal to negative 11. So, ang 4 terms or means na ilagay natin between 5 and negative 15 ay I have 1, negative 3, negative 7, and negative 11. So, ito yung sagot natin. Okay, next example. Okay, example number 2. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 2 and 23 over 4. Ganun pa rin. A sub 1 natin ay itong 2. And since 4 ang ilagay natin, so a sub 1 plus 4 is 5 na. So ito yung a sub 6 natin. 23 over 4. Ganun pa rin, gamit yung general term ng arithmetic sequence, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. Wait, okay, game. Solve for d. So gamit ang formula, ito ay magiging a sub 6 equals, anong a sub 1 natin? 2 plus, ano yung n natin? 6 minus 1, wala pa tayong d. Okay, anong value ng a sub 6? 23 over 4 equals 2 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 times d. Okay, copy lang yung 23 over 4 equals 2 plus 5d. Okay, para mula yung denominator natin na 4, multiply natin both sides by 4. Okay, multiply natin by 4. So, 4 times 23 divided by 4, maka-cancel na to. May iwan ay 23 equals 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5d is 20d. Yan naman, APE, para yung 8 malipat sa kabilang side ng equation. So, magiging 23 minus 8 equals, cancel pala na to. And may iwan na lang is yung 20d. 23 minus 8 is 15 equals 20d. Okay, divide natin both sides by 20 para makuha yung value ng d. Cancel. So, 15 over 20 equals d. Lowest term na rin to. So, d is equal to 3/4. Okay, next. Hanapin na natin yung mga sumunod na terms. I-add lang natin ito sa a sub 1 and so on. So, para makuha yung a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus d. Ano ba yung a sub 1? 2 plus 3 over 4. So, a sub 2 is equal to 2 times 4 is 8. Copy lang yung plus, copy lang yung 3, and copy lang yung denominator na 4. Equals 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. So, ang value ng a sub 2 is 11 over 4. Next, a sub 3 naman tayo. A sub 3 is equal to a sub 2 plus d. Anong value ng a sub 2? 11 over 4 plus anong value ng d? Yung d pa, oh, nawala yung d. Hindi nakita. Sorry, okay, yung d natin ito, 3 over 4, yung d natin, lowest term yung 15 over 20. Okay, balik tayo dito. So, yung d natin is 3 over 4. Okay, next. Since same siya ng denominator, copy lang natin yon. So, copy yung 4. 11 plus 3 is 14. Lowest term natin, so a sub 3 is equal to 7 over 2. Next, a sub 4. A sub 4 is equal to a sub 3 plus d. Equals, anong value ng a sub 3 natin? Ang gamitin mo natin sa a sub 3 is yung 14 over 4 para madali i-add sa d natin. So, a sub 3 natin ay 14 over 4 plus d natin is 3 over 4. Equals, copy yung denominator ng 4. 14 plus 3 is 17. So, ang a sub 4 natin is 17 over 4. Next, ako mag a sub 5. A sub 5 is a sub 4 plus d. A sub 4 natin is 17 over 4 plus d natin ay 3 over 4. Since parehas ng denominator, copy lang natin yung 4. 17 plus 3 is 20. Since pwede i-divide to, ang a sub 5 natin ay magiging 20 divided by 4 is 5. So, we have a sub 2, 11 over 4 A sub 3, 7 over 2. A sub 4, 17 over 4. And lastly, a sub 5 is equal to 5. So, ito yung final answer natin. Okay, last example. Example number 3. The arithmetic mean of the second term and the fourth term of an arithmetic sequence is 35. What are the values of the first, fourth, and fifth term respectively if if a sub 2 is equal to 23? So, ang given natin dyan, obvious naman, we have a sub 2 is equal to 23. Meron pa tayong isang given, yung 35. Pero, alin yung 35 natin? Anong part siya ng sequence? So, sabi, the arithmetic mean of the second term and fourth term of an arithmetic sequence is 35. Arithmetic mean daw ng second term natin. Ano ba yung second term? A sub 2. Ano ba yung fourth term? A sub 4. Ang arithmetic mean daw nila is 35. So, therefore, yung a sub 3 natin is equal to 35 kasi siya yung pagitan ng a sub 2 and a sub 4. So, meron tayong dalawang given. Ang pinaka-awa natin makukuha dyan is difference. Bakit difference? Kasi yan, magkatabi itong dalawa. Pwede natin isubtract yan para makuha yung difference. So, to get the value of D, a sub 3 minus a sub 2 equals, ano ba yung a sub 3 natin? 35 minus a sub 2, 23. So, D is equal to 35 minus 23 is 12. So, now meron na tayong difference. Next, ang tanong is, what are the values of first term, fourth term, and fifth term? Para makuha yung mga nahanap na yun, subtract and add na lang tayo. Okay, para mahanap yung first term, gamit yung second term natin, bawasan natin siya ng D para makuha yung first term. So, a sub 1 is equal to a sub 2 minus D. Okay. Ano yung a sub 2 natin? 23. Ano yung D natin? 12. So, a sub 1 is equal to 23 minus 12 is equal to 11. Okay, next. Paano naman makuha yung fourth term? Yung fourth term, kasunod siya ng third term natin. So, para makuha yung fourth term or a sub 4, a sub 3 plus D. Anong value ng a sub 3? 35. So, 35 plus, anong value ng D natin? 12. So, 35 plus 12 is 47. So, a sub 4 natin is equal to 47. Last, a sub 5. Paano makuha yung a sub 5? Add lang natin yung a sub 4 and yung difference natin or common difference. So, a sub 4 plus D is equal to, anong value ng a sub 4? 47 plus, anong value ng D? 12. So, a sub 5 is equal to 45 plus 12 is equal to ilan? 50. Sorry, hindi pala 45. Sorry. 47 pala to. 47. Sorry. Okay, 40. Ulitin natin. Okay. So, a sub 5 is equal to a sub 4. Wala na ta. Plus D. So, a sub 4 ay equals 47. Yan, tama na. Plus D natin ay 12. Okay, so a sub 5 is equal to 59. So, meron na tayong value ng first term, which is 11. Fourth term equals 47. And fifth term equals 59. So, pwede sulat na, therefore, the value of first term is 11. The value of fourth term Fourth term is 47, and the value of fifth term is 59. So, pwede ito yung sagot natin. Or pwedeng ganito lang din.